cone liquor for chugging. I gave her 8 strong arms worth of hugging. 2 hearts in love, we would frolic in the sand. She'd toss me up and cup me in her meaty hands. I was walking tall, my backbone straight, and that ain't easy for invertebrates. But the tide would turn and this squid would learn. I'd light my match, then I'd get burned. And we laid down and conceived us a younger, but she forsook me and our son for another. I'd been so proud of our little family clan, till I caught her trading tongues with old Snake Man. Now she's officially my ex, though I really do miss the sex. To her I shall not return. I met my match and I got burned. Yes, I cut her from my heart like a big loud stinking fart. To her I shall never return. I met my match and I got burned.
I think I did that like a fucking champion.
Burned.
It's your body burial, bitch.
I like it. You don't gotta use it, I guess, but I mean, that's what I mean.
You're fucking Superman. My name's Biff, and I'm looking for holding my groin. Hold on a second, baby. Is there a holding my groin in here? No, I'm sorry. Nobody like that name. Oh yeah, how about Oliver clothes off?